Do you know how long it took me to set up all of this? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we have a huge Aldi food haul. I want to keep it food with a couple of added extras, but predominantly food because I bought a lot of designer dupe things in the sort of special buys section. Speaking of special buys, when do you ever go to Aldi without picking up one of these magazines? And look forward to getting home with a nice coffee and biscuit, flicking through to seeing what's new in. So I'm actually going to separate that video for the next one. So on Sunday, I'm going to show you everything that I picked up. A lot of homeware, a lot of beauty, a lot of miscellaneous type items that I just cannot wait to show you guys. So that's going to be in Sunday's video. Today, I'm going to focus obviously on the food. And for me, when I'm filming this, it's actually a Sunday afternoon. So I've got a couple of treats for the rest of today, but then the rest of the food haul is predominantly healthy, what I eat in a week. I'll throw in a few meal ideas and suggestions of what sort of foods I like to have during the week, and just to sort of give you a quick overview of what I like to do in order to try and keep in a size 10 at my happy weight, is that I will eat good, fairly predominantly healthy food Monday to Friday. I also intermittent fast 16 to 8, which is pretty much 16 hours of fasting, 8 hours eating. So I tend to eat between 11 AM and 7 PM. So that's what I do Monday to Friday. And then the weekends, I pretty much have free reign of whatever I want, whenever I want. So we have a couple of takeaways, we have plenty of chocolate, we've got pizzas for tonight. So if you want to see what I picked up from Aldi, then let's begin. So I'm going to put this special buys magazine over there for my coffee and biscuits in a sec. But just the kind of non-food items that I picked up. Firstly, I got some new face masks. This is a 2-pack of white ones. We do have material ones in black and like an oatmeal colour, but when they're in the wash, we've got these ones now. And then I also picked up another Minky. This actually is one that I've never tried before. It's the Antibacterial Bathroom Pad, and I've seen they brought out a kitchen one, so I'm going to try and get my hands on that. It's grey with a similar kind of crisscross design, I think. It's about £2.50. I got some toilet roll and treat ourselves to a softest aloe vera one. And then I actually got a little top up of these mint imperials, which I like to keep in our glass jar from Home Bargains on our coffee table. So with it being Sunday, like I said, we do tend to treat ourselves at the weekend. So tonight I've bought for us this wood-fired Italian ham, portobello mushroom and mascarpone pizza, which we're going to share with these, which are new in Carlos takeaway sides, a mini garlic pizza bread, which has garlic and mozzarella. Oh my god, cheesy garlic bread for me is just the devil, but I absolutely love it. These just to snack on today if we're feeling a savoury snack. These chive and onion savoury twists are delightful. They are so, so good. And then with a pizza meal, we always tend to have a bit of a side salad of Italian mozzarella, a red onion and some tomatoes, which I've got over here. And then these are definitely sweet treats. I tried these recently at my parents'. I drove down for Father's Day for a socially distanced brunch with my family, and my mum bought us these. We kind of put them under the grill, or was it in the oven? In the oven, I think, just for several minutes to warm them up. And oh my god, they are incredible, especially with like some fresh berries, chocolate syrup. Oh my gosh, yum. And then these I am obsessed with. They're the half-coated chocolate chunk cookies. They have several different varieties. They've got white chocolate, which I love as well. Then the non-chocolate coated ones, but I always get the ones with the chocolate coat on top, just for that extra hit of chocolate. And then moving on now to sort of the fresh food for the rest of the week. We don't have a freezer, we just have like a little ice box. So for the time that we are living in this house without a freezer, I try not to overbuy, and we do have a supermarket just across the road from us. So if during the week we need a top up, then I can always just pop over there. But in order to avoid waste with us not being able to freeze things, I just don't overbuy. If anything, I underbuy. So anyway, I got a couple of these to try. These are more for me than they are for Tom, because I don't think he would have these, but they're 2 beetroot burgers, plant-based. I thought they'd be interesting to try. I do really like to try the vegetarian and vegan options. Bar salt, they're pretty good for you as well. So yeah, if I feel like I'm craving mashed potato, this during the week, carrot and swede mash, is again fairly good for you and a nice alternative to a mashed potato midweek. I also have lots of salads for lunch, and on the salads I like to put a bit of hummus. This is also great for snacks as well, with some like carrot batons. 30% less fat. I always get the reduced fat one as well. As for yogurts, they didn't have the ones I usually go for, which is the protein yogurts, which are amazing. However, I saw these and these still are high in protein, so I'm going to give these a try. This one is laid with passion fruit, and then this one is the raspberry one. They're also fat free, which is great for a nice sort of morning or late morning breakfast before my salad lunch. We always get one of these every week. This is one of our favorite midweek meals. We tend to have this on a Monday or Tuesday night. It is a full chicken, roast in the bag, super easy, and it's also got an added bonus of pork, sage and onion stuffing in there, which is amazing. If we're not being healthy, we'll have it with a side of salad and pasta. If we are being healthy, then we drop the pasta and just have it with a side salad that's a little bit bigger. I also got some chunky chopped tomatoes. These are great just to have in the cupboard because most sort of bolognese type recipes will include these. These are on offer as well, and again, Mediterranean style vegetables are great to just throw in the oven and have these with like a side of maybe a chicken breast or something. Same with the chopped tomatoes. Tomato puree is one that we tend to use in quite a lot of tomato based recipes, so I picked up another one of those. Some cucumber for salads, some tomatoes, some cooked chicken breast slices, which again I like to have on my salads, sunflower seed bread. They're just a nice alternative to white processed bread to have with like smashed avocado and eggs. An aubergine, again we love this for salad, but I also make a chicken dish with aubergine. Probably my favourite vegetable, fun fact. Or is it a fruit because it's got seeds in it? These are great for an evening meal as well. They're already ready to eat, so they work well with salads. You can just pop them in the microwave for 1 minute 30 seconds, super quick and easy, and they have different flavours, but I like the lemon and herb one. Smoked salmon is a favourite of ours to have for breakfast with eggs and avocado. We've got some mixed berries, which I'm actually really craving, so I might have some of these today. I just really fancy some, I don't know why. I also picked up some mint. I love oh, lemons, I forgot to get lemons. Oh well, I'll go and pick some up, but I like to have mint and lemon infused water during the week if I don't make my ginger lemon tonic. And then for salad leaves, I tend to mix baby spinach with wild rocket. This is for our chicken thigh dish, which I do with aubergines, tomatoes, peppers. It's all in one roasting tin, which is super easy to throw in the oven for an hour to an hour and 15 minutes. These, again, if I'm feeling a sweet treat during the week, these are a nice alternative to a chocolate, but I also want to try maybe a healthy muffin style recipe, sugar-free, because dates are a great alternative to use when you're doing sugar-free baking. I also am obsessed with pears at the minute, and I like to get these mini ones. If again I'm just feeling like a sweet treat, I'll have one of those. They're super sweet. Also, I like to chop them up and put them in my salad, kind of a bit like a Waldorf salad but with pears instead of apples. Got some more sweet corn and tuna. These are the ones in brine. Tom always gets the ones in sunflower oil, and they do them in spring water as well, so let me know which ones you go for. I've always gone for the brine ones. We needed some more olive oil, so I like this extra virgin olive oil. And then I've stocked up on some dried goods to put away. These are all sort of long life items that will hopefully last us a while. We use this quite a lot, so I've stocked up on another Fry Light in the extra virgin olive oil, but they do different flavours. They're 1 calorie sprays, so super easy and fairly healthy. Same with these choc shots, they're only 13 calories per teaspoon, and this one is in winter spice. If you don't already know, I'm an autumn and winter lover, so you'll see that within this one as well. Cinder toffee flavoured instant coffee, yum. These are fairly good for you as well because they are sugar-free, 2 calories per cup, and they have loads of different flavours. Got these stone mill ones. These are pasta and pizza seasonings, but they had, again, different versions, but I thought I'd give these a try. And then I got this garlic and herb burger sauce, and then this, oh my god, this is so reminiscent of my childhood. Who used to mix mayo and ketchup together Now it's already pre-done. I guess it's kind of like a Thousand Island sauce, but oh my god, I used to do this all the time growing up, have mayo, ketchup. I don't know why I'm saying growing up, because I still do it to this day. And then I got these peri-peri seasonings. I also got this peri-peri one in lemon and herb for DIY at home Nando's. And then these seasonings, I got 3 packs. The first one is the medium peri-peri marinade. Then they do a katsu curry crumb, which is obviously new. And then a barbecue marinade. Not this week, but we've recently been having a lot of barbecues. I love how easy and convenient barbecue food is when the weather's nice. And then I got these veggie rices. I actually got 2 packs. They do a cauliflower rice as well, but these are a great alternative to rice for midweek. If you're feeling really hungry and you need a filling meal, then this is sweet potato rice. So look at those low figures. I'm a fan of that. And then same with these. Again, these last for ages, so these are going to be a throw in the cupboard, and as and when you feel like you need an extra something with your meal, then we've always got some in. So this is Peruvian style rice and quinoa, Spanish style grains and rice, peri-peri grains, and tomatoey French lentils. And then I also got some mixed nuts for snacks during the week. I also got some protein granola, again, if I'm feeling like a bit of a sweet treat or a sweeter breakfast. Or sometimes this is nice to sprinkle a little bit over the yogurt, and this has got extra protein in it, which is thumbs up from me, trying to get more protein in my diet. And speaking of protein, last but not least, we have eggs. And that is everything I got. So we are super lucky, the fact that we have a supermarket across the road from us, so it makes it really easy if we just need to run and grab something, and that way we just avoid waste. So everything that we have, I'm confident that we will get through. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Do give me a thumbs up if you want more food hauls like this, and if you're excited for Sunday's video, I cannot wait to share with you the White Company dupes, the Jo Malone dupes, the NARS dupes, the Benefit dupes. Subscribe for more, and I hope to see you all in Sunday's video. Bye guys!